My name is Bill Hedrick. I'm an Assistant City Prosecutor and the Chief of Staff for Columbus City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer, Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding warrants in Franklin County. This program, which is being sponsored by the Columbus City Attorney's Office, is our attempt to address this issue. There are a variety of ways in which individuals face arrest warrants. A warrant has been issued by the police and the person has avoided apprehension. An individual has been given a court date and fails to appear in court. An individual had an initial court date but then stopped coming to court. A person has been found guilty but they failed to pay their fines and court costs, or they failed to report to jail. Finally, a person who received probation as part of his or her sentence faces a probation revocation warrant if the terms and conditions of the warrant are not followed. The warrants highlighted in this program are misdemeanors because those are the crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're an individual facing an outstanding warrant, how can this affect your life? 1. You always have to be looking over your shoulder, fearful of arrest at any time or anywhere. 2. A warrant block is placed on your driver's license. You will not be able to renew your driver's license, nor will you be able to obtain a vehicle registration. 3. An outstanding warrant will show up on a background check if you're applying for a job and/or government benefits. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website, columbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists are updated on a monthly basis. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. In this episode of Fugitive Files, we're featuring individuals who have failed to appear in court to answer to charges of falsification. Specifically, this focus is on individuals accused of providing fake insurance cards and fake documents to the Bureau of Motor Vehicles to obtain a driver's license. Why is this important? It's estimated that 1 in 7 drivers are uninsured, which costs the rest of us to pay more in our insurance premiums. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners estimates that those costs could total as much as $10.8 billion each year. Law-abiding citizens often get stuck with significant bills when they're in wrecks with uninsured drivers. In 2011, uninsured drivers were involved in over 48,000 crashes that took place in Ohio, according to the Ohio Department of Public Safety. Uninsured drivers were at fault in about 76% of those crashes. Dwayne Burnett Sellers. Mr. Sellers is accused of trying to use his son's identity to obtain a license from the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. His past charges include receiving stolen property, aggravated burglary, domestic violence, criminal damaging, drug abuse, driving under suspension, assault, and felony contempt of court. Matthew Lanham. He's accused of presenting a fake insurance card to the Bureau of Motor Vehicles in an attempt to remove a suspension from his record and to obtain a new driver's license. Kevin Lockhart. Kevin Lockhart's accused of submitting fake insurance information to the Bureau of Motor Vehicles in an attempt to clear a suspension and to obtain a new driver's license. His past charges include several counts of passing bad checks, drug abuse, possession of drug paraphernalia, driving under suspension, and of course, driving without a license. Thomas McFadden is accused of submitting fake insurance information in an attempt to obtain a driver's license while he was under suspension. Jeffrey Dale Thompson. Mr. Thompson is accused of presenting fake insurance information to the Bureau of Motor Vehicles in an attempt to get a new driver's license. He's no stranger to this type of alleged offense, as he's been charged in the past with felony forgery, tampering with records, passing bad checks, misuse of credit cards, obstructing official business, possession of criminal tools, felonious assault, criminal damaging, witness intimidation, and burglary. If you are one of the individuals listed in this program, you are encouraged to turn yourself in or to seek legal counsel to address your warrant. The Columbus Bar Association's lawyer referral number can be reached at 614-221-0754, and the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be reached at 614-525-3194. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. Each month, Fugitive Files will highlight warrants for crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. Citizens' assistance and input is what makes this program successful.